Hi, my name is Ashley Bontrager, and I am founder and CEO of Ember Recreational Vehicles. I am here today at the AT&T Stadium for the Funtown RV Show. I would like to show you a little bit about the unit behind me. It's the 190 MDB. Let's take a look. Up front, we started with a Versa coupler hitching system. So here you can see the hitch will slide up and down in the C channel to fit varying heights of tow vehicle. And sometimes when you're going off-road, you have a specialty hitch you'd like to use, an articulating hitch. This allows for the coupler to come off and you can add your own. We also have our electric front flat jack. That flat jack is new, something that we love because it kept the A-frame open. And because the A-frame stayed open, we were able to add a gearbox here, LP storage on this side, battery or other gear storage on the other side. So now I'd like to show you our independent suspension. At Ember, we focus on off-road and off-grid. So we started with a stronger foundation that we're calling our Trailblazer chassis. With that, we added an independent suspension. It's trailing arm independent suspension, dual shocks, coil spring underneath. We paired that with Goodyear off-road tires. And then we did a tube steel frame chassis as well for more rigidity and strength as you're going off-road. Here we have a wheel brake, so when you do get into camp and you're ready to settle in for the night, you can engage it like this, and now your wheel's locked in place there. You even have a spot where you could padlock it if you so chose to do so. We also build our units with fully composite materials, so 5-sided laminated aluminum construction, the roof and the walls. And then with that, we do Asdel composite panels on the inside and the outside, so no wood in our build. Our floor is built by a company called Ridge, and it's their TransCore material. Here's a sample of that. Again, a fully composite floor, one piece, no rot, mold, or mildew can permeate this. On the 190 MDB, we do give you a nice outside kitchen. You have a griddle here along with a refrigerator. Also on Ember products, we feature these European dual pane frameless windows. They open really, really wide, which we like, and optimal airflow. And then on the inside, I can show you how the shades and the blinds are integrated into the window. So I'm standing inside of the 190 MDB now. This is a Murphy bed in the front, a double bunk in the back floor plan with 2 sofas that do have a table for each that is able to be removed if you don't want it during the day, but it is there if you need it to eat dinner or play games at night. Here we're looking at our Murphy bed setup. So first things first, you take the couch and you fold the couch down like this. Then it's an easy, simple one-handed operation. One latch, bring the base down, and behind here we have a full residential size queen mattress. It's a 60 by 80 queen. We were able to achieve that because we worked with a newer technology. It's basically like a pool noodle. And so where this mattress folds is right between 2 pool noodles. So you don't really feel any crease. Flip it out. There you go. There's your full residential queen. This floor plan also features an 8 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator and a 12-volt because we include solar straight from the factory. So every unit standard from Ember comes with a 190 watt panel on the roof and a 1000 watt inverter. You can upgrade with our Ember products to get this max solar, which comes with 3 190 watt panels for a total of 570 watts. That also gives you a 3000 watt inverter and 2 Battleborn lithium-ion batteries with the option to add 1 or 2 more to that for a total of 400 amp hours. With that max solar option, you can run everything that you see in this coach while you are camping off-grid. So now you're looking through our rear kayak door, or basically a rear gear loading door, but you are able to fit a 13-foot kayak through that back door. We achieved that by making this bunk bed. This lower bunk is foldable. It folds up for you, so you have space to bring your gear along with you. When you want to sleep at night, fold it down. The mattress pad flips over, and now you have a nice bunk. These bunks are rated at 600 pounds each. We give you a larger water tank. So your freshwater holding tank is 55 gallons on the Ember Overland series. Our gray tank is 35 and our black tank is 35. So we give you lots of space to store the things that you need as you're going off-grid for longer. In the bathroom, we have a nice spacious bathroom on this one, and you will see the shower miser. So the shower miser is a apparatus that hooks to your shower. You turn that on first and it circulates your fresh water to get it hot before you actually turn on the shower and waste any of your fresh water. And speaking of hot water, on board we do the Truma Combi Eco Plus water heater furnace combination. With that, you get your furnace and water heater all in one. It is constant hot water and it's a very small form factor. So in a small coach like this, we wanted to not take up a lot of space with that. And it also has a very low warranty rate to give you a peace of mind while you're traveling. Also, to give you a peace of mind, with every Ember, you get our warranty, which is as easy as 1, 2, 3. The 1 stands for a one-time transfer of the warranty, a 2-year hitch to bumper, and a 3-year limited structural warranty. So we want to make sure that we have you covered while you're out enjoying all of your adventures.